Want healthier looking skin without spending hundreds on skincare? The secret might not be what's sitting on your bathroom counter. It starts with what you're doing every single day. Hi everyone, it's Andrea with Reliable Beauty Reviews. We spend so much money chasing the next miracle cream or serum, but one of the biggest beauty secrets actually starts from the inside out. So here are 7 simple habits that can help support healthy skin and overall wellness. Let's start with hydration. I think we all know hydration is very important, especially during the summer months. So I thought it would be fun to provide a few mythbusters. You've probably heard that everyone needs to drink 8 8-ounce glasses of water every day. The truth is, there isn't one magic number that works for everyone. Your hydration needs depend on your body size, activity level, climate, and even the foods you eat. Personally, I drink about 32 ounces of water a day or more, and I feel it has given me better skin, and it's great for your entire body. Here's another myth I'd like to bust, and I know many of you are going to love this one like I do. Coffee and tea still count towards your daily fluid intake. While caffeine can have a mild diuretic effect, research shows that your morning coffee or tea still contribute to keeping you hydrated. You don't have to drink an extra glass of water for every cup of coffee or tea you enjoy. The goal is simply to stay hydrated throughout the day. Protein. If there's one nutrient I try not to skip, it's protein. I make sure I include protein with every meal and every snack because it helps keep me satisfied and it supports healthy muscles, hair, skin, and nails. And believe it or not, the more protein you eat, it'll stop those sugar cravings. And I must say, I find my nails growing a lot faster with all the protein that I eat. One of my favorite quick breakfasts is something I call breakfast cupcakes. I'm sure you've seen these recipes all over the internet. All you do is whisk eggs together with chopped vegetables, sprinkle in some cheese, pour everything into a muffin pan, and bake them. Then I have breakfast ready for several mornings. They're delicious, portable, and packed with protein. Eat them at home or on the go. I absolutely love them. Eat the rainbow. I'm sure we've all heard this one. Our skin loves colorful fruits and vegetables because they provide vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. So I'd like to share one of my favorite go-to smoothies that you can drink all year long. All you do is take a half a cup of water, 3 to 4 ice cubes, a cup of frozen blueberries, 3 to 4 frozen strawberries, and 1 banana. Blend everything together and you get a refreshing smoothie that's full of colorful fruits. It is so delicious. I love that the fruit is frozen because you can have the smoothie all year long. It also makes the smoothie thicker. And additionally, I love to add a scoop of plain or vanilla protein powder, but that's optional. Now, if you're more of a veggie person, try this refreshing spa cucumber mint smoothie. Take a cucumber, peeled and chopped, a handful of fresh mint leaves, the juice of a half a lemon, a half a cup of cold water, or you can use coconut water, and a handful of ice cubes. Blend until smooth. It's light, refreshing, and it's a great way to enjoy more vegetables. Prioritize sleep. Beauty sleep really is a thing because our skin naturally repairs itself while you sleep. So getting enough quality rest can make a noticeable difference in how refreshed you look and feel. And if you're someone that has trouble sleeping, I recommend a good topical magnesium cream, or you can also take one of those nighttime drink mixes that contain cocoa flavanols designed to promote relaxation. Manage stress. Stress doesn't just affect how we feel, it can also affect our skin. One of my favorite ways to manage stress is simply getting outside for a walk or exercising, even if it's just for 20 minutes. Movement is a great way to clear your mind and boost your mood, and it's also great for your circulation. And if the weather isn't cooperating, consider investing in a small walking treadmill that you can use indoors. It's an easy way to stay active on rainy or cold days, and you can even walk while watching TV or listening to a podcast. Lately, I've been into audiobooks, so listening to a book while I walk really passes the time. And you'd be surprised at how much longer you can walk by doing that. Choose cleaner skincare. Our skin acts as a protective barrier but some ingredients applied to the skin can be absorbed into the body. That's one reason I prefer choosing products with ingredients I feel good about using. And that's why I like to read ingredient labels before I buy anything. I try to avoid unnecessary harsh chemicals and fragrances whenever possible, and I look for products with ingredient lists that are simple and easy to understand. And of course, choose products appropriate for your skin type. Lastly, let's talk about probiotics. I had to include this one because it's all the rage. Try to include fermented foods and drinks to help support a healthy gut. You can try kombucha, yogurt with live cultures, kefir, sauerkraut, or kimchi. Quite honestly, the only one I like is yogurt, but let me know which one you prefer in the comments. So in closing, you've probably heard the saying, you are what you eat. I've never really liked that saying. It's not literally true, but there is wisdom behind it. The foods we eat provide the nutrients our bodies use to build healthy skin, hair, nails, muscles, and every cell in our bodies. Healthy, glowing skin isn't about chasing the latest beauty trend. It's about taking care of yourself from the inside out. So small, consistent habits really do add up over time. So I hope you found these tips helpful. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more beauty and wellness content. I'm Andrea with Reliable Beauty Reviews, and I'll see you on the next one.